Let us review control parameter settings. Clamp setup. Clamp setup is very important for injection molding machine. We can set clamp open or close positions and speed, mold protect face position and speed, clamping force. Injection setup. By this page, we can set the parameter in injection molding machine for cooling time, fill time, pack and hold time, shot size, screw speed, etc. Temperature setup. We can set temperature as per requirement in this page to melt the material. Keypad is used to perform different functions and to enter the parameter values. Startup process. Switch on barrel heating and wait till the temperature is achieved. After all of the zones have gone through the proper soak time, hopper can be opened and the screw rotation can be initiated. Soak time is important for uniform distribution of heat throughout the barrel for safe working of slider set and screw. Initial screw speed should not exceed 15 to 20 rpm so as not to damage the screw or barrel. During this time, when the screw is recharging, no one should be standing near nozzle. As the screws start to refill, the motor load will gradually increase. This is an indication that material is feeding. Once a steady flow of polymer exits from the nozzle, the screw speed can be increased to the desired operating RPM. Machine is ready for operation. Shutdown process. Close the hopper slide and stop the flow of material into the feed throat of the equipment. On an extruder, you will notice that the drive load will start to decline. For the injection molding process, several air shots can be performed. With engineering plastics, purge out material before shutdown. Purge the barrel with recommended purging material. When it is visible, the melt coming out of the nozzle is finished, stop the screw rotation and retract the screw minimum equivalent to screw diameter to release the screw tip from melt envelope. The feed throat cooling should remain on. If the shutdown is only for a short period, now the machine can be totally shut down. Common processing problems and remedies. During production run, you do get moldings with some defects. Defects are of various types, and assignable causes are machine setting parameters, polymer treatment, design and condition of the mold. In the next slide, we will explain general remedial actions to avoid process defects. Flash. A thin film of material formed around recesses, along parting lines or sealing faces of the mold known as flash. Remedies. Machine parameters. Increase clamping force. Reduce injection speed or use stepped speed profile. Reduce barrel temperature. Reduce pack or hold pressure and injection pressure. Reduce mold wall temperature. Remedies raw material. Eliminate regrind material. Remedies mold. Correct mold parting line if worn out or damaged. Decrease mold temperature. Short shots. The mold cavity has not been completely filled, mainly at points away from the gate or at thin sections. Remedies machine parameters. Increase injection speed or pack hold pressure. Increase barrel temperature. Increase back pressure. Replace tip seat valve if found worn out. Remedies raw material. Use high MFI grade material. Remedies mold. Increase mold venting. Increase runner or gate cross-sectional area. Increase mold temperature. Increase thickness of thin section. Sink marks. Sink marks are depressions on the molded part in areas of material accumulations. Sink tend to occur mainly on the thickest sections or where there is change in wall thickness. Remedies machine parameters. Increase holding pressure and time. Reduce barrel temperature. Reduce mold temperature. Increase cooling or pause time. Remedies raw material. Check material for moisture. Check dryer for proper working. Use higher melt index if possible. Remedies mold. Increase gate cross section. Increase nozzle orifice. Provide appropriate wall or rib section ratio. Burn spots on surface. Black or dark spots appear on the surface of the molding due to wear, thermal damage or dirt. Remedies machine parameters. Reduce barrel temperature. Reduce screw speed. Decrease injection rate or speed. Unfavorable screw geometry. Clean screw, barrel and tip seat valve. Remedies raw material. Eliminate use of regrind material. Material to be pre-dried, so moisture will be eliminated. Remedies mold. Increase mold venting. Mold care. Please ensure that the selected mold for particular machine is covered 2/3 or 66% area between 4 tie bars. Ensure that mold is mounted on the machine with locating ring of appropriate size. Maintain clearance between locating ring OD and platen ID as per guidelines. Locating ring should not protrude from mold mounting face. Ensure thread size and thread type of the mold mounting bolt. Ensure that mold mounting bolt's thread engagement must be minimum 1.5 to 2D. Too little or too large engagement may pull out the platen threads. Give appropriate torque according to bolt sizes. When molding is completed, ensure to spray rust preventive in the mold to avoid rusting before unloading. After removal of water pipes, drain the water from mold's cooling channels and clean all lines with air to avoid rusting. Personal safety. Injection molding machine contains many potential hazards. Ensure personal safety while working. Do not climb on the machine. This may result in injury if the person slips or is bumped by the machine. Never remove or bypass the machine's mechanical, electrical or hydraulic safety devices, that is, safety gates, safety guards, safety switches, etc. Do not stand on any part of the machine and reach into the mold area while the machine is operating. Failure to follow these instructions may result in serious personal injury. Neckties, scarves, loose hanging clothing and jewelry such as watches, rings or necklaces must not be worn around moving machinery. Ensure that the electrical power is switched off and hydraulic system is depressurized before starting any maintenance work. Any maintenance work which must be done with electrical power on must only be done by machine manufacturer's representative. Whenever you are working on the injection unit, always wear full face and body protection to protect against the possibility of being burned by hot plastic or gas which could be expelled unexpectedly. Always keep your working area clean. Oil water on the floor may cause someone to fall to the floor, into the machine or onto another object, resulting in serious personal injury.